Okay, love bugs. I was today years old when I realized my favorite hairstyle of all is a butterfly cut. Now hear me out. I don't know if I remember it being called a butterfly cut back in the day, but this new innovative look, aka the butterfly cut, hands down has been my favorite go-to look. Now this one here comes courtesy of Unice. They sent this beautiful girl over in a 20-inch 7x5 upgraded cap lace wig. Let me show you guys just the goodness gracious on this one. You guys can see how much body and texture it is. It's a beautiful, rich, natural color. And just look at the layer. Look at the bounce. Look at the body. It's like fluffy, but there's like a beautiful butterfly cut that comes like in and out and in and out. You guys see and you guys get the vibe. And the perfect part about this wig is that it is 100% glueless. Very easy to install. You just need to put a little bit of lace to here and there and add your own little touch for your personal preference. But again, the cap is glueless. The texture of the hair comes pre-curled, pre-cut, pre-styled. And then of course, this is a pre-everything cap construction. So you get pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, and a pre-plucked hairline. Again, for the most beginner of beginner girls, I can guarantee you can install this wig. And here I am here to help you with the process. So if you want to see how we got this look and catch a vibe with me, let's get started.
Running around while I'm laying his hair. Edges on point with a little mama flair. Life's a whole movie, every scene on deck. Beauty and motherhood with Ashley Bedeck. We glow through the highs, laugh through the mess. Always be his family, a little finesse. Living every moment, come vibe, no stress. Hit subscribe and ride with the best. Yeah. Ashley Bedeck. Yeah. Family love, we locked in. Yeah. Let's ride. Family on my mind every sunrise. Do it for the ones with the bright eyes. Hold it down, never fall, keep the love tight. We gon' shine, yeah, we alright. Family on my mind through the long nights. Heart full, yeah, that's where my strength lies. Ain't nothing in the world like these good vibes. We gon' shine, yeah, we alright. Wake up, grind mode, mama gotta move. Kids in the backseat, dancing to the groove. Who's been by my side, yeah, he never lose. We built this bond tight, something you cannot do. Big dreams, little feet running through the halls. Messy little rooms, but they're worth it all. Packed days, but I answer every call. Family over everything that's lost. Late nights, long rides, everybody fed. Blessings on blessings, I keep us ahead. Laughing in the kitchen till the tears get shed. Love so strong, it'll knock you dead. Family on my mind every sunrise. Do it for the ones with the bright eyes. Hold it down, never fold, keep the love tight. We gon' shine, yeah, we alright. Family on my mind through the long nights. Heart full, yeah, that's where my strength lies. Ain't nothing in the world like these good vibes. We gon' shine, yeah, we alright. Dance mom days, big bows on deck. Sports mom nights, whole crowd on flex. Running up miles, but I never feel stressed. Cause I do it for the fam, yeah, I know we blessed. Switch lanes quick when the schedule tight. Still show love when we kiss goodnight. Kiss on 10, but the vibe still right. Home full of joy, yeah, we shining bright. House loud, but the love stay louder. Heart strong, but the family make it prouder. This kind of bond got unshakable.
Okay, love bugs, so we are done with this look. I was listening to my horoscope guilty pleasure, so I had to finish my horoscope before I was able to come and talk to you guys because I couldn't miss out on what's going on this week, and it sounds like we're having a good week. Anyways, this is the final look. I love a good butterfly cut. Now this is something I don't know if it's a new thing or just like it's been around and I'm just getting hip to it, but the butterfly cut and all the beautiful layers that come with it are 10 out of 10 chef's kiss. Now this gives the bedroom curls, the sexy, the Victoria's Secret video vixen vibe. It just gives the sexy va-va-voom. Yeah, it's also very effortless. As you guys can see, it came all ready to go with the curls pre-styled for us. You can literally just comb it out with a wide tooth comb or even a dimming brush for that clumping effect, and you guys can see you're good to go. Now something for me is I always do like a 5-minute finesse curls, which is literally me giving myself like 5 minutes or less to touch up as many curls as I can on each side to alter the look to be exactly what it was straight out of the box, but add like my own little touch to it. And more so, that's all about the bang in the front. Now this one has a nice amount of body into it. I love the rich natural color on it, and then I feel like you can go in and really tightly curl the entire thing to get more I guess you can say curls at the bottom. I did not want to do that. We are already aware that this one does hold a curl amazing, but I wanted to keep the length down here, if that makes any sense, and more so just focus on the body. So again, it'll be nice to switch it up in a few days and go in and just curl the whole thing from root to tip and give it a really tight curl and see what that looks like when you brush it out. This is the vibe, and as you guys can see, it comes with the upgraded cap, including that drawstring to make it nice and glueless, so I'm not worried about it slipping or anything at all. You also see we're able to part it from the side, and it actually looks really good. Even with that beautiful like layered cut we got going on, it's going to give a nice like swoop bang to the side when you decide to switch it up. So just showing you guys that there is a little bit of versatility with this one where you can switch it up as far as the parting goes. The texture, you can definitely go in and straighten it out. Now there's a heavy layer in it that benefits most when it's curled, but you most certainly can go in and like wash, refresh, and like straighten the hair for a beautiful silk press or even deeper curls, as I mentioned. Now as I mentioned, this one did come from Unice, and as we know, we love the beautiful magenta monochromatic packaging. This one here is a 7x5 by Nice lace wig in the length 20 inches, linked in the description box. And then also with this one, really quickly, we did get our melt belt, which you guys see me use a different one, but the same one in this video. So we have a nice fresh one, a pack of Unice HD wig caps, as well as the Bye Knots wig tip if that is your interest. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Be sure to check this one out. Of course, I have a direct link in all the details to this beautiful girl in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.